In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Firefly Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to use in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or index. It doesn't matter. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar with several options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can find all the built-in and community indicators that TradingView offers. Once that window pops up, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to locate a specific tool without scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, type in Firefly Oscillator. As you start typing, TradingView will begin filtering results in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly so the search can find the exact indicator you're looking for. When you see Firefly Oscillator appear in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the main price chart. At this point, the Firefly Oscillator is active, but you may want to adjust the settings so it better matches your trading style or visual preferences. To do this, move your mouse over the indicator name on the chart. You'll see a small gear or settings icon appear next to it. Click that icon to open the settings panel. Here, you can adjust inputs such as lengths or smoothing options, as well as change colors, line thickness, or background styling. Take a moment to customize these so the indicator is easy for you to read and interpret. When you're done, click OK or close the settings window and your changes will be applied immediately. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you'd like to follow along with the same tools and layout, use the link provided in my video description to sign up. That way, you can access the full set of Pro features and make the most out of indicators like the Firefly Oscillator.